Hi and welcome everyone to another video about PromptIn. Let me quickly give an overview about how PromptIn, how the sections or the categories work exactly when it is a single prompt, when it is a categorized one, what are dynamic prompts, static, and the rest is self-explainable. So when you save a prompt here, for example, the basic prompt, which I have saved, I don't know when exactly, um, then you would see that it is not assigned with a folder and that it is standing on its own. And when I go inside of here and I go inside of the single prompts, then you would see the basic prompt here because it is not assigned with a single folder. And here you will see basically, or you can also use the filter here uh, with prompts that are not linked with a folder. So then you can quickly look, what is not linked with a folder. You go inside of here, edit it, and add it to a folder. Or you can also go inside of the categorize prompts, which are the prompts that are assigned to a folder. When we go inside of, for example, this one, then you would see it is inside of the German exam folder, or this one is also inside of German exam, and this one is in the English folder. And then we have also, which is a bit more complicated, are the dynamic prompts, which is basically prompts that contain variables that you can later on use for workflows to design your workflows with custom custom values. Here we see, for example, workflow tool, which is a prompt, and then we see how this has a variable with test type. So then instead of workflow, you can then enter the value, which will then directly go here. And this is very useful, especially when you want to sort out the things. This is a dynamic prompt. What are the single prompts? Where are the static ones? The static prompts are basically prompts that have no variables, which are which don't change at all. And again, you can always filter out the prompts. Basic prompt, you can find it easily. Also, you can sort it this way. You can filter, and it is even very useful. And also the unused prompts, like prompts that you have never used or not used a lot um, in the last 30 days. Just that you can look at it and then delete them if you don't need them anymore. And instead of the trash folder are like false prompts that you have put into the trash, and then you can delete them permanently or restore the prompt, and it will put back the prompt to its actual state where it was before. And then of course you can see add to favorites. We have also a category for favorite. So you see, for example, for now I have no prompts marked as favorites. So when I go inside of single prompts, I go inside of test02 and I edit it and say here, for example, now it's favorite. I save it like this, and then I go inside of favorites and you will see it here. And of course you can also remove from favorites and a lot of different options. I mean, uh, I don't know how many clients have already said how amazing that is, because most extensions, or basically all of the extensions that exist for prompt management, don't provide anything like this. So I hope that you could gain a lot of insight about the categories, how they work. In the few last videos, I demonstrated how the folders work, and it is all very easy. The last thing I want to show you is instead of the full screen mode, you can see here also the categories, with the exact same things with a little bit more detail, how much you use them, and all very categorized into different sections. And here you would see all of your prompts and directly the usage of them. I mean, this thing is amazing. And um, also with the tools, but I will get later in another video into the analytics stuff so that you will see how it can be useful for you. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. Have a great day, and I see you in the next one.